The war in Ukraine continues to consume enormous amounts of manpower and military equipment, with intense fighting reported across multiple sectors of the front line. According to the latest Ukrainian military claims, Russian forces suffered significant losses in a single day of combat, including approximately 1,330 personnel, 59 artillery systems, and 4 tanks, along with other military vehicles and equipment. While battlefield casualty figures are difficult to independently verify during an active conflict, the reported numbers highlight the extreme intensity of the ongoing battles and the growing importance of artillery, drones, and precision weapons in modern warfare. Heavy fighting continues along the front line. The Russia-Ukraine war has entered a stage where every kilometer of territory is contested through a combination of infantry assaults, artillery strikes, drone operations, and electronic warfare. Ukrainian forces have increasingly relied on surveillance drones and precision attacks to locate and destroy Russian military assets before they can influence the battlefield. According to Ukraine's General Staff, Russian losses over the reported 24-hour period included 1,330 personnel, 59 artillery systems, 4 tanks, additional armored vehicles, and logistical equipment. If confirmed, the reported artillery losses would represent a major blow because artillery remains one of the most important weapon systems in this conflict. Artillery, the backbone of the battlefield. Since the beginning of the full-scale invasion, artillery has played a central role for both Russian and Ukrainian forces. Large-caliber guns, self-propelled howitzers, and rocket artillery systems are used to destroy defensive positions, support infantry advances, target supply routes, and disrupt enemy movements. However, modern battlefield conditions have made artillery units increasingly vulnerable. The widespread use of reconnaissance drones means artillery positions can now be detected faster than ever before. Once a drone identifies a target, coordinates can be transmitted quickly to strike units, allowing artillery systems to be attacked before they relocate. Ukraine's drone warfare advantage. One of the biggest changes in this war has been the rapid expansion of drone warfare. Small FPV drones have become some of the most widely used weapons on the battlefield. These inexpensive systems can be modified to carry explosives and used against tanks, armored vehicles, artillery systems, command posts, and supply vehicles. Ukrainian drone operators have frequently used FPV drones to conduct precision strikes against Russian positions. The advantage of FPV drones is their low cost, speed, and ability to attack targets in difficult terrain where traditional weapons may be less effective. Russian armored forces under pressure. The reported loss of 4 Russian tanks in one day highlights the continued challenges faced by armored units on the modern battlefield. Russia operates large numbers of tanks, including upgraded versions of the T-72, T-80, and T-90 families. However, tanks are increasingly threatened by FPV drones, anti-tank missiles, precision artillery, mines, and air surveillance systems. The battlefield environment has changed significantly. A tank unit operating without proper reconnaissance, infantry support, and electronic protection can become highly vulnerable to modern anti-armor systems. The role of electronic warfare. Another major factor shaping the conflict is electronic warfare. Both Russia and Ukraine use advanced systems designed to jam enemy drones, disrupt communications, block navigation signals, and protect important military assets. Electronic warfare has become almost as important as traditional weapons because controlling the electromagnetic spectrum can determine who has better battlefield awareness. Russia continues offensive operations. Despite reported losses, Russia maintains significant military capabilities. Moscow continues to rely on large manpower reserves, heavy artillery, armored vehicles, missile systems, and drone operations. Russian forces have frequently used slow, methodical advances supported by artillery and infantry attacks. The strategy focuses on maintaining pressure against Ukrainian defensive positions and forcing Ukraine to commit additional resources to each sector. Ukraine's strategy: precision over numbers. Ukraine faces a different challenge. With fewer resources compared to Russia, Ukrainian forces have emphasized technology, intelligence, and precision strikes. Instead of attempting large-scale offensives everywhere, Ukraine has focused on destroying enemy logistics, targeting artillery positions, attacking command centers, and using drones to slow Russian advances. This approach allows Ukrainian forces to create significant battlefield effects without matching Russia's manpower levels. A new era of modern warfare. The Russia-Ukraine war has demonstrated how warfare is changing in the 21st century. Large conventional weapons remain important, but smaller and cheaper technologies are playing an increasingly decisive role. Drones, satellite intelligence, electronic warfare, and precision weapons have transformed how battles are fought. A single drone operator can now influence the outcome of an engagement that previously would have required much larger forces. Conclusion. The reported loss of 1,330 Russian personnel, 59 artillery systems, and 4 tanks in one day reflects the extreme level of violence and attrition taking place across the Ukrainian battlefield. Although the figures remain subject to verification, they demonstrate a key reality of this war. Every offensive operation comes with a high cost. As Russia and Ukraine continue fighting, technology, intelligence, and precision strikes are becoming just as important as traditional military power. The battlefield is no longer dominated only by tanks and artillery. It is increasingly shaped by drones, electronic warfare, and the ability to see and strike the enemy faster than ever before.